regional at the phone, then continue Alpha Mike 1 to 1 left.
Alpha Mike 1 left behind you. One at 11 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, that's the one.
Alright.
KLM 282 heavy, contact your departure, have a good flight, bye-bye.
Departure 282, thank you very much.
Once you're on Bravo, it'll be Alpha 1. 2600, were you ready? Correct, Delta 2600, were you ready? Okay. And you're coming out of the ramp, or is that you want Alpha, the first one? Okay, and I don't know if they told you, but you got our wheels up time of 2-2 now, 20 minutes from now.
Yes, sir. We were told that 2-2 now.
Okay. Delta 2600, I'm going to hold you over on Lima. It's about 20 minutes for that time, so make the right turn, Alpha Hotel, hold short runway 1 left at Hotel.
Okay, Alpha Hotel, hold short 1 left at Hotel, Delta 2600.
Delta 2600 at Hotel.
7, heavy 7 departing the airlock.
Oh, 1891, roger the caution, clear to land, runway 28 right.
Southwest 2255, contact your departure, good day.
Okay, left 20.